is starting from Mysuru to Sirsi, and with me is my great friend Ganesh.
Hi.
Yeah, so he's my guide to that place, and there he'll be taking me around and to various places,
Yes.
and most importantly a very famous temple. What is that?
Sri Marikamba Temple.
Okay, so that place we'll be going definitely, and there is a festival also which is there.
Yes. There is a fair going on in Karnataka, which is biggest fair in Karnataka as well. So it started from March 19th and will end it on 27th. So today is 26th. So hopefully we will be able to witness a lot of biggest fair in Karnataka.
Right, so we are starting off. This is just the beginning of this journey, and what all things we will encounter and how the whole thing will turn out,
Yeah.
only
so-
time will tell.
Yes.
So, but the main aim of ours is to enjoy the journey rather than reaching the destination, isn't it?
Exactly.
Okay. Okay, yeah, this is a very beautiful highway, and four-lane highway, beautifully made. So, can you tell us about this highway? What's the detail about it?
Yeah, so this highway was inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in the year 2023. So this highway was made by National Highway Authority of India. So the cost of this project was around 8,000 crores. And then after doing this highway, traveling time from Mysore to Bangalore have drastically reduced. Before this highway, it would take you around 3 hours to 3.5 hours. But now it is just for 2 hours. So you can travel from Mysore to Bangalore in just 2 hours, and it has made a lot of benefit to the people who is working in Bangalore, whereas their native is in Mysore. So yeah, this is it. So you can see the highway, how it has been done, which has three ways, and they
It's,
also have
6 lane.
Yeah, 6 lane, and also they have service road as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you have a beautiful scenery which you can see as you are driving by.
Yeah.
There's a small water body and the trees. Wow.
Exactly.
I would say that this expressway had totally changed the way we are traveling nowadays, and all across the countryside or in the nation, the transportation ministry has totally revamped the roads and highways, and we are able to move out from one place to another with much more speed and in a much quicker fashion. Earlier, I was just discussing with you that when we were kids and we used to travel from Dehradun to Delhi, it used to take around 7 to 8 hours. But with the coming up of new highway, maybe the traveling time would decrease by maybe 4 hours, isn't it?
Yeah.
And same way as you were telling about this highway,
Yeah.
that from Mysore to Bangalore, the time distance has reduced considerably. So, what do you say?
Yeah.
Isn't it fabulous?
Yeah, it is fabulous. I think thanks to Nitin Gadkari, who is the highway minister of our country, so he has been looking into this very well. So yeah, which is making a lot of easy for the civilian people. Where of course after doing this, our country is also getting developed. So yeah, which is really a good thing which is happening in our country, as you also said.
Yeah. So it is not only I would say, making our life easier, but it is also helping in the economy. Because if the goods reaches from one place to another much more quickly, then the cost also reduces.
Yeah.
Then fuel, there are various you can say factors which leads to the escalation of the cost, and one of them is the transportation.
Yeah.
So if we are able to reduce the time factor in moving the goods from one place to another, obviously the entire cost would come down. So that is what I think is working for our nation, and so I think making the government aim to bring our economy to the third ranking, maybe we will be successful.
Yes.
Yeah, what do you say?
Yes, absolutely, no doubt about it. city is called Mandya, and it is famous for sugar. So it is called as Sugar City. So a lot of farmers grow sugarcane over here. So yeah, that is how this place got named Sugar City.
Its real name is also Sugar City.
No, it's just a nickname you can tell. The real name is Mandya. If you know actor called Ambrish, if you have seen Sandalwood movies, Kannada movies, so he's from this place.
Ambrish.
Yeah, Ambrish. He's a famous Kannada actor.
Okay.
So he belongs to this place. If you, if you have researched about Kannada film industries and Sandalwood, like
Okay.
he's an old actor. He's no more now. His movies were very famous in the year 1980s to 1990s and 2000s. So he was quite famous in Kannada industry. So he belongs to this place, and his name is Ambrish.
Ambrish.
Yeah.
Oh, it's great to know all about this. Yeah, I'm very happy that you are my guide.
Yeah.
So this journey has become very exciting for me.
Yeah, exactly.
Getting all that information. Otherwise, I would have just passed through it
Yeah,
and wouldn't know
absolutely.
the significance of these places.
Yeah, of Mandya and Sugar City, and as well Ambrish.
Yeah. Great.
Yeah.
Okay, so the first destination, the initial intermittent location which we have found for ourselves. What was that name which you had where we are going first?
Tumkur.
Tumkur.
Yeah.
Tumkur. And as per the Google Maps, I think it is 84 kilometers that we have to go. And the road which is we are, I think, traversing is Kunigal Maddur Road. Yeah, Maddur. It's a unique name, Maddur.
Yeah, it's a unique name. Do you know something about it?
Anything significant? Interesting?
Yeah. So Maddur. So if you travel from Bangalore to Mysore, like anytime in train,
Okay.
so you will be hearing Maddur Vade. So Maddur Vade is very famous in a state of Karnataka. It is a different type of vade where it is not similar to other vade. So it has some uniqueness in it, so which only the people of Maddur prepare it. And also it is very famous vade in Mysore, Bangalore, Tumkur, Chitradurga, and most of the southern parts of Karnataka.
What is this? What you were saying? What is that?
Vade matlab you might have heard idli vada.
Okay, idli vada.
Yeah, something like that.
Okay.
Idli vada, in idli and vada you see different kind of vada.
Okay.
But here it is completely different than the vada which we eat in hotel.
Okay.
Yeah, and Maddur is also famous for cultivation of tender coconut. Yeah, I have shown you some trucks going to Bangalore on the highway.
Yeah. Coconuts.
Yeah, coconuts.
I saw a lot of
Yeah.
trucks going filled with coconuts.
Yeah, exactly. So they are also famous in tender coconut cultivation,
Okay.
which they give it to any other part of India, like Maharashtra and West Bengal. They also go to the northern part of India.
Okay.
Yeah,
And you were saying that in here it is less costly, and there.
Yeah. So here they might purchase it for like 30 rupees or 20 to 30 rupees.
Okay.
And then they sell it in Bangalore, in metropolitan cities,
Okay.
like from 50 to 60 rupees, 70 rupees. Yeah, depending on how the metropolitan cities work.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we should have more coconut here.
Yeah, we should have. And drinking coconut water in summer is really good.
Okay.
So,
I think
yeah.
it's very nutritious.
Yeah. We should also stop by if we find some coconut.
Yeah, definitely. Whenever some coconut shop comes, then we will stop and have it.
We will do a thing. Okay, we found a coconut water shop over there.
Okay, that
It's
is.
okay.
Look for the one on the our
Left side, yeah.
Left side.
So we'll do one thing. So instead of drinking coffee, we'll drink coconut water.
Yeah.
Huh?
Good idea.
What do you think?
Yeah, good idea. Nice.
Yeah. Can you see some strange kind of hill over there?
Yeah, it's full of rocky feature.
Yeah.
And talking about hills, so towards Kanyakumari, there are certain hills which are called Sanjeevani Hills or Herbal Mountains, and it is considered that when Hanuman was traveling from Donagadi to Lanka with that mountain, with the Sanjeevani, so various chunks of that mountain had fallen down, and those hills or those chunks are now part of certain ranges like the Western Ghat. And I had got the opportunity to go in over one of those hills, and it was beautiful. And it is in one of my videos also. I already vlogged it. So and there another amazing thing which I saw was that which Panditji there, who was living there for around 20 years, he pointed out that the shape of a Hanuman, which was naturally made by the rocky feature of the hill, and it was amazing. So here also we are seeing various hills of different shape and sizes. It's a beautiful sight. What do you say?
Exactly. Yeah. So he is always up for adventure. There is no for adventure in his dictionary.
Yeah. Oh boy, it's almost 4 hours and we have been traveling non-stop. Shall we have a break?
Of course. I'm super hungry. What do you think?
Okay, I think this seems to be a good place. Lodge, Sai Palace.
Oh, is it? Yeah.
Huh? What do you say?
Oh, yes. I think we should go there. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Let's
And I
have-
think
Let's have some good food over here.
okay, so the lunch was fabulous. What do you say? So now to start off again for the journey.
Yes. Now we are really pumped up to start again. Let's see where our journey takes us. And
So what? So for 4 hours from here now?
yeah, 4 hours.
4 more hours, no?
Yeah, 4 more hours.
That's
Easily.
for the destination.
Yeah. Sirsi.
Sirsi.
Yes.
So any significant thing about Sirsi?
Of course, Sirsi is a place where it has lot of falls, lot of falls. If you visit Sirsi in rainy season, you'll be able to trek and watch lot of falls. And also there is a Jatra going on, which is really famous, like in entire Karnataka, of course. So yeah, there is much more things to tell about Sirsi, but yeah, as of now,
That will explore there
yeah,
when we reach there.
yeah, we don't let me not tell everything about Sirsi. Once we reach, let me tell.
Then we'll make a separate vlog for that. This vlog
Exactly.
is
Only the
for
introduction.
only for the journey from Mysuru to Sirsi.
Sirsi, yeah, absolutely.
So our this framework will be restricted to this terms of reference
Yeah,
to cover our journey from Mysuru to Sirsi.
Sirsi. Yeah.
The other things, whatever we do, will be covered if we do. As that will be other part of the video.
Yes.
And you can see the sunset which is happening.
It's happening. Hopefully, we are able to watch amazing
So-
sunset incoming.
It's amazing. As you are going ahead, the sun is slowly moving down
Yeah.
under the horizon and giving a beautiful oranges hue. Wow.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Just looking like a wow.
Yes, that's looking like a wow. Beautiful. See, see the hue. This is what I like about this place.
Yeah.
That the sunrise and sunsets are so beautiful here.
Yeah.
Need to keep going on, man.
Yes.
4 hours, 4.5 hours more to go.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we have been traveling for around 8 hours now, isn't it? So after that restaurant where we had our lunch, so after that again 4 hours of traveling, isn't it?
Yeah, 4 hours.
4 hours and it's totally down
Yeah.
and totally dark,
Yeah.
and we are about to reach our destination
Yeah,
in
absolutely.
a few minutes. shit to give his last parting words before we close this video. Yeah,
Yeah.
anything you would like to add
Yeah.
or summarize the whole thing?
So this 8 hours was wonderful. I had to tell Mr. Deepak a lot of things about this journey, about the cities where we had to pass. So moreover, this journey was absolutely good for me and also for Mr. Deepak. So yeah, we enjoyed a lot. And then
it is my first video with a companion with the vlog we are doing.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
it's
yeah.
a companion vlog for the first time and a car
Yeah.
vlog.
exactly. So we enjoyed thoroughly. So yeah, we have a lot to show for you guys once we reach Sirsi. So stay tuned. Thank you all.